This is second grade, lesson 9 worksheet, and it says use logical reasoning. So it says circle the statements that equal the number at the top and cross out the wrong statements and correct them. So what it's asking is to find what equations will equal this number here, and if they don't equal them, cross them out and then make a new equation that will work. So our first one is 5 plus 5. So if we do 5 and then go 5 to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then write the numbers out, 6, 7, 8, and then 9, and then 10. We know our answer is 10, so it'll work, so we don't have to cross it out. 7 plus 3, move 3 to the right, 1, 2, 3, count these out, 8, 9, 10, and then we can do equals 10. And now 0 plus 9, so 9, and then move nothing, so just equal 9. So it says to cross them out and correct them if they're wrong. So we cross this one out and then correct it so that to make a 10 from the 9, we move 1 and then count up, it'll be 10. So it'll be 1 plus 9 equals 10. So next is 7 plus 4. So if we do, let's see here, if we do 4 and then moves to the right, actually let's do 7. 7 and move to the right 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We count up 8, 9, 10, 11. So now we know our answer is 11 and that's wrong. And we need to go 1 back. So let's do 3 plus 7 equals 10. And then 8 plus 2, write out 8 and then go to the right twice. 1, 2, 9, 10. I don't know if these are correct. We can do number 4 here. So 12 plus 4, so we do 12 and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's 13, 14, 15, 16. So answer 16 for this one, we know this was correct. 7 plus 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So the answer is 12, and we need to reach 16. So we need to do 12 plus something to equal 16, so we can just count up. So it's 13, 14, 15, 16. Now we know what it is going to be 13, 14, 15, and 16. And since we stopped at 12, we should just count up from here. So it's 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So instead of 5 plus 7, we would need to go up 4 more. So it would be 7 plus 9, which would equal 16. So 9 plus 5. So if we do this right here, hold on for a second. So if we do 5 plus 9, 9, and then move to the right 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That'll be 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. And we need to reach 16, so 15 and 16. So we know our answer is 16 here, and we move to the right 2 more times, so 1 and then 2. So instead of 5, we would add 2 to the 5, which would be 6 and 7. So it'd be 7 plus 9 once again. Next is 14 plus 3, so 1, 2, 3, 15, 16, 17. So when you go back 1, so instead of 3, it would be 2, so 14 plus 2. And then 13, move 2 to the right, 1, 2, 14, 15, and then since we need 1 more, we go more to the right. And instead of 2, it would be 13 plus 3. So next is addition or subtraction, and it says write the plus or minus sign to make the statements true. So 12 plus 7, let's do this, 12 and then plus 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we know that 13, 14, 15, and so on would not equal to 5. So therefore, it would be minus, and we can check it to make sure. So 12, and then go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Count down 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, and 5. So we know that this is subtraction. So 4 plus 8, or 4 minus 8. So we know that since this isn't a greater value than 8, it automatically can't be the subtraction, so it would have to be plus. So next is 7 plus or minus 3, so we should write this out. 7 minus 3. So if we do 7 minus 3, 1, 2, 3, it would be 6, 5, and 4. And 4 does not equal 10, so we know that's going to be addition, so we put addition here. Let's do 4, 18 plus 9, or 18 minus 9. So if we count down from or if we count up, if we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, And we count up, it would go 19, 20, and keep on going up, and it wouldn't equal 9 here. So it would just be subtraction. Let's just do number 9. So 0 plus 17, or 0 minus 17. So this one can be both addition or subtraction here, because 0 minus 17, uh, it doesn't really matter, so you do plus or minus. Next is 14 plus 4, or 14 minus 4. And if we do 14, move to the right, count up by 4, it would keep on going up, and our answer is 10, so it wouldn't be over 10, so we automatically know subtraction. So next is addition or subtraction, mark the correct answer. So it says, which is a way to show 11? So if we do 10 minus 1, 10 minus 1, go 1 to the right, it would be 9, so that's automatically not our answer. Let's do 4 plus 1 equals just 5, and then 5 plus 3, move 3 to the right, so 5 and 1, 2, 3, it would be 6, 7, and 8. And we know that 8 is not our answer, it's not 11. So we write it that. So 8 plus 3 here, these two. Just count up, 9, 10, 11. Plus 1 would be 12. So that's not our answer. So we do 7 plus 6, so 7, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So it's just 13 for this one, these two. And then subtract it by 2. And 3 minus 2 equals 1. And we can drag this one down, so it would be 11. So we fill this one. Next is a way to show 9. So we do 4 plus 10. And just 4, 10 plus 4 equals 14. And then 14 minus 3. 4 minus 3 equals 1. And then drag the 1 down, so it's 11. And that's not 9. So next is 8 plus 2, which is 10. Minus 1, which equals 9. So you know that this one's our answer. Finally is word problem. So it says Addison and Albert have 60 marbles in all. Addison has 7 marbles. How many marbles does Albert have? So if Addison and Albert both have 60 marbles total, and Addison has 7 marbles, that would mean that it's subtraction because we want to know how much Albert has. So it would be 16 minus 7. It says since 6 can't minus into 7, we have to subtract this by 1. And drag this one here to make a tens place. So it would basically be 16 minus 7 again. And then we can just count down. So 16 and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Maybe 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, and 9. So that would mean that Albert has 9 marbles. So next is Addison has 12 marbles. 4 are red and the rest are blue. So how many blue marbles does she have? So it says that Addison has 12 marbles total, and that 4 of them are red, and we want to figure out how much blue she has, but it doesn't tell us here, so that's what we have to find. So we have to do 12 minus 4, and then since 12 can go to 4, we should subtract this by 0, make this a 1, it would be the same thing, but we're going to do this, so 12, and then go down 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, it would be 11, 10, 9, and 8. So our answer would be 8. So she has 8 blue marbles. Finally, Addison gives 6 marbles to her uh, brother Liam, on his birthday. How many marbles does Addison have left? So this one,